Star Michelle for Makeup or Breakup blog. And guess what I just got? The FabFitFun winter box. I can't wait to open it, and it came just in time right before Christmas. So this is an extra special little gift for me. And the first thing out of the box is the lovely FabFitFun newsletter with an exclusive interview with the actress Brooke Burke. And within, it will also showcase the various pieces that have come within this month's winter box, which, as you see, it says here, what's in the box. Gotta love it. First selection had the Moroccan Intense mask. It had a glove and kind of hat set to cover your ears, and it had a color block throw from Mark and Graham. The second option that they had here, the pick was the Lele, I can't pronounce this one, but this is a silver circle necklace, dry shampoo from Oribe, or the Halston jewelry portfolio. You know what I picked. And another option was to get a pair of comfy socks, or an acupuncture jade stone roller, which I thought was exotic, or the pure Be Your Selfie palette. And I think I got, yes. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, here's the one. FabFitFun. Gotta love it. Gosh, what's in here? Oh, I heard about this. This stuff smells so awesome. Look at this. Okay, this is the Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care. I adore the way this smells. This usually was, featured a couple times in their add-ons when they release or open up the add-ons for the extras to buy to include along with your box. So I was so excited to see that it was one of the featured picks for the box if you wanted it, and I so wanted it. I love this. Every time I wear this, I get such compliments on the scent. Okay, let's see what else is in there. The Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Ooh, to hydrate, especially important, along with drinking lots of water in these cold winter months. The next thing I see here is from, is this an eye thing? What? It says Brilliant Eye Brightener. So you could look like you're more awake. This is from Thrive Cosmetics. I like that. Okay, now what's this? Oh, I heard about this. A jade roller. This is supposed to be used as part of your skincare as far as making your skin feel nice and smooth. So this will be interesting to try. I know I've seen these downtown in Chinatown. So this will be interesting to see how this will work. Okay. A lovely lipstick from Bite Beauty, and it's in meringue or merengue, depending on how you pronounce it. And the next thing in here is something from Elevate. 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. Ooh. So what does this do? I'm curious to know. Revitalizing eucalyptus and energizing sweet orange. Okay, FabFitFun would not be FabFitFun without something that is nice and cozy to cuddle with. And this is from Mark and Graham. And it says personalized gifts. Keep in touch. It says, show us how you style your Mark and Graham blanket by tagging my Mark and Graham. It says personalized. Feels so nice and cozy. Oh my goodness. Here's the thing I've been looking for. This is the jewelry case, and it's from the fashion brand Halston. If you're into fashion at all, then this name should be familiar to you. So this is where you can put your pieces of jewelry to hang in and travel with. They've been showing us, so this is how it looks. A nice, lovely gold key. It has a zipper. Unzip it. And then inside is where you hang your little bits of jewelry in. It looks like a book, right? That's how it looks. Hang like your necklaces on these little things like neckties. I also received a lovely fuzzy pair of socks. They'll keep my toes nice and toasty for the winter. And this is from Richer Poorer. And last but not least, I also received something called Dermalect. This is the runway ready luxury foot treatment. Got to keep those toes looking nice and soft. And I've already started coating my hair with this lovely Moroccan Intense mask. This is the Moroccan Gold mask that they included. I had bought a previous one, so this is going to be my stash for the winter. I am in love. I'm so happy because I was just about finished with the other one, and I was going, oh, are they going to sell it? You know, are they going to have it? And thank goodness FabFitFun did. So I'm already putting in my hair, letting it penetrate, giving that nice full action and that scent, that lovely heavenly scent. If you haven't tried the Moroccan Gold series, you definitely should. Their hair mask is awesome. This is Dawn Michelle from Makeup or Breakup. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest beauty subscription adventure, FabFitFun. Hit it out of the park again. You can check out my other videos either around here or at the end of the video. I'll probably attach it or in my description box below. Please look for it and check out my series on the FabFitFun unboxings. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.